Good morning, you guys. Frankie Hill here. I got a present in the mail from my good friend Gene Click, and he forges and does all the work on these custom knives. He does them for all kinds of people, and he does them for the movies and all kinds of stuff. This is pretty crazy. So let's take a look at what he sent. I'll open it with my kitchen knife. All right, let's take a look, you guys. This is going to be epic. Let's take a look. We got this right here. It's a card, forged fire. Totally cool, man. And Click edge work. And it says, Frankie, thanks for all the inspiration and friendship. Gene Click. This guy makes it happen, dude. All right, let's take a look. Okay, first of all, I believe he sent a stand to present the knife in, which is crazy. 2 pieces of rebar, custom wood. Wow. All right, let's back this up just a little bit so you guys can kind of see this whole thing here. All right. Let's take a look. Whoa. This is gonna be crazy. I'm telling you. I've seen some of the stuff he does, and it's just, and it's all like one-off stuff, you know what I mean? Like all original. Got to be super careful because it's super sharp. Whoa, man. All right. God, this thing is so amazing. It reminds me a little bit of the knife they gave me in the movie Hook, but of course this is like on steroids, you know what I mean? Like this thing is like, woo! All right. And if any of you are guessing if this thing is sharp, let's take a look. Yep, it's sharp. It'll cut right through a glossy. Right on, man. Thank you, Gene Click, man. This will be presented in my house for all time. And I believe it goes like this. Woo! Look at that. Wow, man. That is cool. Thank you, Gene, man. This is super killer, dude. Wow. Killing it. All right. Have a good day, you guys. I know I will. House of Hill.